Naveen ji, who has given a beautiful description of the Northeast region pineapple. Basically, I'm a microbiologist working in microbiology since last 45 years and an environmentalist. At present, I am the sectional president of Indian Science Congress of Environmental Science. I have many friends in Nagaland. Particularly, I will name that he is a very brilliant scientist and very brilliant person, Anup Babar. And I met him, and he once, when I was pro vice chancellor in Jaipur National University, then he is working in Nagaland, and he brought the pineapple from there to me. And I tasted. And I tell you that this is the wonderful taste. And we did some experiments also at that time. And I remember that the microbial contamination in this pineapple was lowest. What I found on the surface was just Saccharomyces cerevisiae, though that is a good, wonderful organism. Good. But as a microbiologist, I would like to talk on the aspect that how we can use and how we can improve our export potential, not only of the pineapple, but any of the horticultural produce or any of the agricultural produce or any of the food material. Basically, if we see the European market or the Western market, now there are the two things. One demand, and the one very important demand is the organic. And the second is the biopreservatives. And it is most unfortunate part that in a country like India, which is having the most important potential for export of the agricultural produce. If we just see during this COVID-19, every industry has performed very low except the agriculture. And the agriculture was the only industry, or agriculture was the only sector of which did not see the negative growth. And it was having the several positive aspects. Agriculture still today, it is contributing 17% to its GDP, and 60% of the population is based on that. But it is very unfortunate that the focus of the government on the 60% of the population is very, very less in comparison to the other parts. So if we just focus on the organic production, biopreservation, food processing, then we can do wonders in the world. Pineapple is one of the most important crop of the Northeast region. When this is a topic in the context of the biosecurity, I would like to say that the Northeast region, it is consisting of the 8 states. It is having about 99% of our border area is attached on these 8. And the biosecurity, it is not including only the microorganisms, but even the terrorists, even the other organisms, insects, pests, and several things. So the government has to formulate a policy for the security and for the disinfection. This is now I am coming to a very important topic which I am addressing since last several months and several years, and I am trying to invite the attention of the government that many times we are using the chemical disinfectant for export, and even in pineapple too. I think that we are using the chemical disinfectant as a surface disinfectant, and also the wax as a preservative or as a surface preservative. But these do not really rightly and correctly protect. So if we use the biopreservatives, if we use the irradiation technique, if we use the modern techniques, then really we can preserve the quality of the content, quality of the product, and we can also sell it, and we can also give it as a unique uh, unique thing. So the much research is now required to be done on the biopreservatives, irradiation techniques, and some non-toxic materials for the surface disinfection, because I see that some of the government organized government officers are sitting over here in this webinar, and they might be listening to me also. So the my concern is that in the northeast region as a whole, there should be more and more food processing units. It is being neglected.